This piece of shit would not come out yesterday at all. Oh my goodness.
In the beginning, in the beginning.
Yeah, but when you finish going to speed fire.
What's up, guys? We are back. Another video. Thank God. Another day, another dollar. Or should I say, another day. And have to fix another car. But today's a good day because today I'm gonna be fixing the E36. Finally, it's been down for a couple of months because of just an axle that I've been so lazy to do. Not per se lazy, but busy. But we finally gonna get that done today. So let's get into it. So if y'all all don't know, here's my E36. Damn, she's dirty, neglected, y'all. I don't even, bad condition, but this is gonna be my little drift car, all right? I got a project to do, a whole bunch of stuff to it in upcoming months. Get it ready, start drifting in it. But for now, we just doing a little axle change. And yeah, am I gonna boost the car in the future? Yes, I am. I already have a CX racing kit sitting down in the crib, waiting, put that on, get that on the car, and we are gonna be outside. Oh my Lord of mercy, guys. Oh my Lord of mercy. Let me go get the PB blaster. Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Regardless of that, if y'all guys can see back there, the axle is not even in the spot where it's supposed to go into the diff. Damn it, I know y'all can't even see. Hold on, let me get the light. Let me get the light. The axle is not even, it's still hard to see, y'all, but the axle is not even where it's supposed to be at. My exhaust is not even connected. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on there? Hold on, let me see if I could really get a good view of what's going on underneath here. Look at this shit. Look at that shit.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
What? 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 And then the exhaust? Well, hello? Hello? Like, I'm gonna let the PB blaster do its thing. I need to find a hammer and a flathead. We're gonna come back and get to work on that. So, all right, so I done beat up the axle bolt now. So it's time to try to disassemble. It started raining, oh my gosh. $30mm axle socket, or 12-point socket for the axle nut. Brake bar. Had to go for the fucking enforcement, mate, because this shit was not happening. This piece of shit would not come out yesterday at all. Oh my goodness. So I had to get some reinforcements today. I got that and then I got that. If neither of these work, yes, got that shit off. Wow, that was
One eternity later.
all right. So I was finally able to get the axle out. So let me show y'all exactly what y'all have to do. Then I gotta get underneath the car for this one so I can explain properly. So boom, this bar right here, I'm not sure what bar it is, this black one, not sure what bar that is, that runs all the way across. You see it goes to the other side. I'm sure the bolts on mine will never change. It's a 13 bolt and a 13 nut that holds it. The bolt is on this end right here. It would be right here, and then the nut is on the other side, so about right there. You gotta take the bolt out on this side, and the same thing on the other side, on the passenger side. Here's the nut and the bolt right there. You see the nut and bolt, 13 millimeter. You get a better look at it. Unscrew it from in there. You gotta get two 13 sockets and hold it and tighten it. Y'all know how it goes with a bolt and a nut on the other side. The nut is on that. The nut is on the other. The nut is on this side here, and the bolt is in there. And you unscrew that, take it out, and then you push up. You push up on the bar, and it's out. Okay, you see there's a little groove indentation, and it kind of backs out a little bit. So you push up on the black bar, boom, and it comes out. And do the same thing on the driver's side, and you drop it down, and then that's gonna give you enough space to take out the axle. So now it's just for me to figure out a way to finesse it out, and we're gonna do that time lapse. Finally got this piece of shit out. Oh my goodness, yo, the bolts are all twisted and everything. Holy shit, I don't even think I might be able to get these out the axle itself. Nah, it looks like to me what happened is some of the bolts backed out. I don't even know. I really don't even know. I think two of the bolts backed out because two bolts are missing that are not even there. And the rest of them started backing out, and then they bent up the night that the axle broke on me. I'm gonna put in a clip. And I guess that's what happened. All right. Here's the new axle bolt. It's starting to get cold out here, so let's get this shit installed quick and easy.
Let me recommend this.
Mm-hmm.
Can we disconnect the coilover and unbolt from here, from the bucket, and get this to come forward? Or are those bolts seized?
It might be seized. This bolt, the bolt up top is seized.
For sure?
Yeah,
Oh,
I tried it early, facts.
Okay.
The coilover bolt might be good because it's been, how long since I put the coilover?
Yeah.
Not too
Nah, but it
long.
wouldn't even matter because you got, I would need to bring the hub towards me. Feel me?
If the exhaust could come out the fucking way.
The muffler or the exhaust?
The muffler, I mean.
Alright, so hold on, let's take out the muffler. Let's take out the muffler. That's 1, 2, 3.
Sure. Sure.
I don't know. All right, if you say so.
Come on, is that a bolt?
Yeah, there's a bolt in there.
What the fuck?
Gotcha, bitch!
Why would they put a bolt on that?
Shit, I don't even know.
See the dilemma I'm having?
Nah, that's insanity. Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why?
What were these niggas thinking when they designed this shit, man? What the fuck? I gotta sit here and unbolt my exhaust from the rubber. Give me the Milwaukee gun.
Oh, nigga want a style.
Try to get that sponsorship. That shit's stripped.
Stripped it?
Well, nah, it's like, it's so rotted. Give me the 15, 12 point. What size is this?
16.
Yeah, give me the 15, 12 point. And a hammer. I'm gonna try to beat it on. Let's see. Wow. Jesus fucking Christ. All that shit. Let me see the fucking 14. I'm just eating away at every fucking layer of the bolt. Watch it end up being a 13 at this point now, because this shit's so fucking rotted. Jesus fucking Christ.
Strip that too?
Because there's no bolt, there's no nut left.
Alright.
You picked a good day to do this.
You
picked an amazing day to do this.
Bro, it wasn't snowing earlier, bro. It was nice and sunny when I first came out here. Came out here with a good, like today's gonna be fucking good.
Bro, nothing ever goes smooth in life. None of these things ever go smooth.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to drop the car and get the jack out my way now.
What, Jackson?
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Had to have the shiesty on because it's cold, but got everything finished, put back together. I'm gonna go underneath the car and show y'all real quick. This side is all tightened up, ready to go. The side that was broken, and then this side I tightened up a little more because it was going crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it was already getting loose, so I tightened that side up a little bit more, and we are done. Oh my goodness. Let's get this car out of the air and start it up. She's alive. She's alive. I gotta change the LED lights. I mean, the regular lights to LED lights. Spice it up a little bit. But what a hell of an install. I tell you, that shit was a bitch to install. Yo, this shit was a bitch to install. Like, no dragging it, extending it, no nothing. It was a lot. But I ended up, the camera had died while I didn't finish recording the rest of the video. And it was pretty cold out here. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go inside to finish wrapping this up. All right, so we are inside now. It's cold out there. It all started snowing when I was trying to do the axle, but this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. That shit was mad hard, way harder than I thought. It really, I mean, it wasn't hard. You just gotta make sure that you have the right tools and space, because if you don't, then you're not gonna get nothing done. But other than that, I'm gonna end off this video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, put your post notifications on for the next time I post. Because this 2024, yo, we about to have some content rolling because we are outside. But see y'all in the next one. Peace.